na si teacher, oh. Morning po. Aaron, get your umbrella.
Hey, Ron. Hello.
Aaron, oh. Get your umbrella. Dali, go inside. Come on. Come on, yun, oh. Doon na ikaw, oh. Kiss na ako. Kiss mo ko.
Morning, Aaron.
Good morning ka kay teacher.
You put your bag in all your carry. Where's your carry home? Give me, that's your name. Look, this is